Oh, I've never been to this part of the ocean before. Huh? Oh no! Ah, it's a whirlpool! Whoa! I gotta get back to the sea. Bite me. Me too. Please. Ew. Huh? He's turning them all into beautiful vampires. That's my dream. Hey. What a loser. How embarrassing.
Watch this. You'll never be like us.
You guys are so mean. Why do they hate me? Why am I so ugly? Huh? What is that? Huh? A checklist to become a vampire? I need pale skin. But how? Huh. Maybe these seashells I got from the seashore can help me. I'll put all of them in this bowl. Then crush them all up until they turn into powder. That should be enough. It's perfect. Whoops. Huh? I'm pale. Wow. Now let's put some color back on my face. None of those lame mermaid colors, please. Oh, how about some red? Huh? Maybe some black too? Thank you. Huh? Now let's get to painting. I'll take a little bit of red and draw some squiggly lines under my eyes. Next, I'll dip it into some black paint and paint it on my eyelids and my brows. Finally, add some gems to make it three-dimensional. Huh? Wow! Looking fierce. But my lips are still pale. There must be something I could use. No! Surely there's a lipstick in here somewhere. Huh? How did that get in there? Nope. Paper? No. This? No. Aw, a doll. Not today. What a bummer. Huh?
Hey, over here!
What?
Hands up!
Oh, is that for me? That's my lips. And voila! We've got a bloody red lip. What's more vampiric than that? Oh my god! Huh? Maybe there's hope for my hair. They say aloe vera does wonders, even for electrified hair. I'll extract the juice out of this plant and brush it all over my hair. I'll go over it a couple of times until I brush out the tangles. Then I'll take some hair from the front and tie it at the back. That's what I call a killer hairstyle. Huh? How did you get in here? Huh? What the? Huh? Let go of me! Oh, slay! You look better on my head. I look like a vampire princess. Oh, wow! But I'm still missing some fangs. Oh, Mr. Beast, how can I be more like you? Stinky! I've got a simple solution to that. 2 chewing gums will do the trick. I look silly.
Hey there!
Hi, SpongeBob.
Is that your teeth?
You have it too. Hey, watch this. It's gum. Wait a sec. I've got fangs now. Oh, this vampire life is fun. Oh, before we continue with the makeover, make sure you subscribe and like the video while you're at it.
Shiver me timbers, the treasure chest!
Time to go shopping. Retail therapy never hurt anybody. No! That looks lame. Where am I gonna get new clothes? Ouch! Oh, there's the chest from earlier. What treasures do they have in here? Wow! Jackpot! It is just like the one in my dream. Or should I say, it's my dream outfit? Oh, Oh, beautiful! But it's missing something. A bloody red necklace. Oh, I ate with this one. Let me put on some gloves. Don't want to get my hands dirty. I'll pull it over my left arm. And the right. Now I'm ready. I look terrifying. Oh no! My scales are all the wrong color. Good thing I can change it with a swipe of my hand. Perfect. Every detail of this outfit is simply amazing. Bow down, vampires. Your new queen has arrived, and she's thirsty for blood. Let's go.
And then I bit him.
Who is she? Huh? Oh, me? I'm new in town. Rawr.
Whoa.
Anyone want to show me around?
Wow! Let's take a selfie! We can't hang out.
Hey, girls? What? What?
Another one? Where did you get your hair done?
Hey,
Hi.
look.
Is that picture of me?
Oh,
Come, I'll teach you my ways.
What just happened? Oh, wait!
not cool. Keep calm and look like me.
Wow, hi Barbie.
Hi, Jake. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Brittany. Hi, Riley. Oh, who do I spy? It's a bright new world. Walk that away, girl. Oh, hi, Chris.
Hi Barbie.
Wow, not cool. Keep calm and look like me. Hi, Barbie. Oh, hi, Riley.
Hi Barbie.
Hi. So good. I need to check. Come on, you're braver than you think. No, not fair. It was only a dream. Oh, it's gone. I want a mermaid tail. Everyone's got a secret side, and mine's to be a mermaid. Oh, so cute. I'm a Barbie girl. No, it's time for a change. Watch and you'll see I'm gonna be part of the mermaid world. But how I will do it? Oh, you can be wherever you want. Really? Yes, you're right. Time to get this party started. And this will do the trick. Let's try them on for size. Perfect. No, wait. I look like a seal, not a mermaid. Oh, yeah, done. Check this out. Whoa. I've gotta learn to walk the walk. Oh, so hard. So much easier in water.
Are you kidding, right?
Fashionista godmother, I need your help. I'll be there in a jiffy.
You just left me.
Told ya. Oh, not looking good, babe. Not looking good. So helpful. Not your legs, babe. Follow me. So let it rain over me. Check out your scales. Wow, I look so beautiful. I'm ready. Not quite, but you soon will be. Whoa! What's that? What the hell? A sparkly caterpillar. What's this? Okay, here goes. Here, fishy fishy. Gotcha. Stinky snicker. Get ready. Whoa. What? Okay, one more shot. Come to mama. Oh, wow. I know a hack for this.
Oh, hey, come here. Your face. Where's your makeup?
Oh, say. No, my makeup is gone.
Hey, over there. Try this on.
Sounds a bit fishy. Back to the sea, little one. I netted a good one there. I'm going for pink scales, but you can choose any color. You're not gonna believe how easy this is to get scaly skin. You're ready to see? Perfection, even though I say to myself. Wait, something is missing. Don't worry, I got you covered. Wow, look at that sparkle. Anything for you, big on. Bye. Wow. Oh, I'm looking jamlicious. OMG, what have I done? Ah, no. Oh, wow. Who's that?
Look at my cutie look. What do you think, huh?
Wow, this is the best day ever. Out with the old and with the new. Time for a different color. No. Nope. I don't want to be Wednesday. Been there, done it. Oh, yeah. Red is the new blonde. Oh, yeah. What now? Out of the water, I rise. Barbie, oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, I think it's burger o'clock. An order. Yay. Now that's what I call fast delivery. Oh, it's a kid meal. Yay. Now I get a crown. Wow, so yummy. Full up better now. Oh, we are matching. But my crown needs a facelift. It's got not bling or zing. I know every mermaid needs a crustacean crown. Neptune's crown gonna have nothing on this. Now we need chows. Lots of chows. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. Wow. Forget the haters. They just want my crown. It's amazing. Huh? Who's there?
Delivery! Oh, wow, you're on fire!
Hi.
Oh, pizza. What pizza?
No, I need to check. Yay, it wasn't a dream. It was real.